The first thing that you want to do is melt your candy melts down. The green, this is the green Wilton candy melts, and they're very thick. So I've got some cocoa butter here, and I'm just going to add some of that in there to thin this out a little bit. So I'm just thinning this out with a little bit of cocoa butter. You could use Paramount crystals as well, or a little bit of shortening. Not quite as thin as I want it. It's getting better. I love this bowl because when I'm done I can just pop the chocolate out, stick it in a Ziploc. Super easy cleanup. A little more. Okay, so we've got our chocolate thinned out. And all we're gonna do to make our little Shamrock pretzels, we're gonna use a big pretzel, a stick pretzel for our stem, and then we're just going to arrange these just like so. So I'm gonna take my stick pretzel, dip that in my chocolate, lay that down just like so, and then I will take my pretzels and dip them. Oops. Just like so. Lay that little guy down. And just keep going. Now while this guy is still wet, I'm going to assemble. So I'm going to pick this one up. I'm going to move him right here. And then I'm going to very carefully, I want a little more chocolate on this guy. He needs more. I'm going to go ahead and stick this guy right here. This one hates me. It does not want coat. What's up with you, man? Coat. I'm going to assemble him right here if I can. Okay, so we're going to take this little guy off. Poke, poke. pull him off, stick him right here, just like so. I'm gonna come grab him, bring him over, just like so. Just like so. And then if you've got a little extra chocolate here, flatten it out. It will be all good. And then I've got some sprinkles here. You can just sprinkle these right on. Like the darker green. A little bit of diamond dust. Actually, let's do our bakery bling first. Do a little bakery bling. And a little bit of our diamond dust. So that's that one. The next one is going to be same process, but we are going to put a really cute little rainbow on it. So there we go with our pretzel stick. Set him right there. Pull out our top one, slide it down. There we go. Same thing, just put on a little bit of our bakery bling and all of our these little guys, the sprinkles. Little bakery bling and a little bit of our diamond dust. And then I'm gonna take this little rainbow here and put a little, actually, just do this. A little bit of chocolate glue, just like so, and we can put a cute little rainbow right in the middle.